Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So you can see this is Instagram app, so you need to tap on your Instagram application, and after that it's the home page. So what you need to tap here your profile icon right bottom corner on the screen, and then tap here the three line right top corner on your screen. Once you tap on that, then you will see the menu. It's called settings and privacy. This one, simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see account center, the first option. Tap here. Once you tap, then scroll down, then here you will see the option personal details. Simply tap on that, and again tap account ownership and control, and tap again deactivation or deletion, and tap on your Instagram profile. So you can see your account is temporary, so just deactivate. Just make sure you mark the first one and tap to continue. Then you have to give your password. Your account will be deactivated. It will be deactivated until you are not active here or login. So, friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.